Okay, hello everybody. This is the second week, April 20 to 24th, 2020, and our objective is to talk about health, free time activities, sports, and sports equipment and facilities. Remember that facility is very similar to a word that we can find in Spanish, but it is not that. Facilities are the places where you practice a sport. For example, the tennis court, the soccer field, the gym. Those are the facilities, yes? The swimming pool, etc. Sports equipment are things like a ball, the skates, the helmet that you put on your head to practice a sport, etc., etc., etc. Okay, so let's continue. Let's begin with the page 30. Okay, exercise 1. On the exercise 1, you have to circle the words with the th sound. Okay, we don't have in Spanish this sound. Okay, this is the symbol for the th sound. Uh, we represent this sound that doesn't have any vibration. You can make this sound by putting your tongue between your top and bottom teeth and letting air out like this. That's that's all. Okay. Examples: thing, bath, earth. Okay. And we use this symbol to represent a different the sound with vibration. This the sound is different from a d because your tongue sticks out. Okay, this, there, those. Very good. Now you are going to circle the word that have the th sound. Okay, very good. Do, free, healthy, thing, think, throw, Thomas, and weird. Very good. On the exercise 2, you just have to listen to the audio, things of the world, okay? And then number the pictures according to the descriptions that you hear, okay? You have some pictures here, and on these spaces you have to write the numbers, okay? Number the pictures according to what you hear. Working pairs, how many words with th and th sound can each of you remember in 30 seconds? Write the words your classmate says in the correct column. Okay? You don't need to do this with a classmate. You just have to write words with the th sound and with the th sound. Okay? According to the explanation of the box, pronunciation box. Let's continue to the exercise 3. Read the pronunciation box and listen to the track again. Things of the world. Write the correct symbol for the sound of the letters in bold. Things of the world. So, for the first one, mother, mother, do you use the symbol? Sorry, this symbol, or you use this symbol in mother? Okay, very good. So you have to choose this symbol. Okay, sorry, let me do it a little bit better, like a D, like this. Okay, think, what is the symbol? The symbol is this. Okay, very good. And you do the same with the others: health, other, thing, month, bath, they, with, and there. Very good. Let's continue. Page 31. On the page 31, circle the correct option to complete the sentences. Teenagers is adolescent. Teenagers in Korea love, do, or are to sing in karaoke. And you complete the 2 and the 3. Number 2 and number 3. I will give you the book in the platform. So don't worry if you don't have the book in your house. I give you the digital book and you answer in the notebook. Read the definitions and write the words. An outdoors place with a lot of plants and flowers is a... What is that? What is that? What is that? You have to find this definition and you have to find the word. Well, you have the definition and you find the word. Number 2, you can travel long distances very quickly with this. What can you use to travel long distances? And number 3, if you are working and you need to rest, you take this. What do you take? What do you take if you need to rest? Very good. Number 4, when there are many people in a place, it is... How is it called when a place is full of people? Very full of people. Too many people in a place. With the letter C. Exercise 3. Read the email and fill in the gaps. You have to write the words in the gaps. Okay? Dear Leo, I just remembered we haven't planned our what? Our what? To Edinburgh. This month I... helping my dad in the coffee shop. I can't go out early. We're closing 8 o'clock this summer. Can we? At 9 o'clock to plan it. We can. My laptop to find the best plane tickets. Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. On the page 32. Writing time, go to the writing process section of this unit in your printed Awesome Reader and Writer and work on your first step, analyzing. Okay, write any difficult words you are learning this week, use meanings, drawings, or anything you want to help you remember these words. Okay, on this space, you have to write new words that you are learning. Yes, for example, let's suppose that you learned a new word that is teenager. Okay, teenager. And what do you have to do to remember the word teenager? Don't write anything in Spanish. Maybe you can give a synonym to it. What is a synonym of teenager? Well, adolescent. But don't forget, nothing in Spanish, everything in English. You can write synonyms, you can draw a picture, a little icon or something for you to remember, but nothing in Spanish, okay? This is the place for unfamiliar words, okay? Very good. I'm going to erase this. Okay, and we can continue now. Let's continue. Very good. We continue to the next page, 33. This is a listening. Listen to George talking to his sister Emily about his Friday plans. For each question, circle the right answer, A, B, or C. You will hear the conversation twice. What is twice? Twice is 2 times. Okay, 2 times, twice. Once is only 1 time. If this is a new word for you, twice, you can write it in the previous page. Okay, Friday plans. This is the example. You listen and you write and you choose or circle A, B, or C according to what you hear, according to what you listen. I will give you the audio, the listening activity in the platform. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. On the page 34, you have some exercises. What would you do in the free time, in your free time, if you didn't have the internet or TV? Imagine a story where the main character has no internet or TV and complete the organizer. Okay. So, what would you do in your free time if you didn't have the internet or TV imagine a story. You have to imagine a story where the main character has no internet or TV and complete the organizer. Yes? So the title of your story, what is the title of the story? The man with no TV. The man who didn't like the internet. The boy who loved to ride the bicycle. The girl who loved to dance. So activities different from internet and TV. That is the title. Okay. What is the conflict? What is the conflict? This boy doesn't have internet and TV. This girl doesn't have any um, electrical things in the house, any devices, no TV, no internet, nothing. The characters are, what are the characters in the story? The mother, the brother, the dog, the cat, I don't know. Okay. To solve the conflict, the characters, what do they do to solve the conflict? Well, maybe they do a lot of things in the house and they don't like it, or maybe they can get the internet and they can get a TV, so they can give a solution to this conflict. Okay. Well, it says go to your digital awesome reader and writer and read Planning a Party. What a mess! Choose 5 keywords to play Pictionary with a classmate. Use the space below to draw. Actually, this is a question. Planning a party? I will give you the book Awesome Reader and Writer in the platform Planning a Party, so you can find the other book. Okay? On the exercise 3, work in groups of 4, answer the questions. Well, you don't have to work in groups of 4, you just have to answer the question. What is the text about? Is it fiction or not fiction? What is the conflict? What is the conclusion? How does the text relate to your life? What is the book? What is the book? Okay, you will see this is the book that you need. Digital Awesome Reader and Writer Planning a Party. What a mess. Okay, you click on the digital book and then you will be able to see something like this. This is a digital book. Planning a Party. What a mess. Okay, so you have to read, you have to do all the activities that are here. At the end, complete the following summary, etc. Match. Okay, what did Benjamin have to decide? All the exercises. This is the digital book. Okay, this is what you will be able to see when you click on it. Very good. Let's continue now to the activities. Let's go to the page that we were working. It was the page 34. We finished with the 34. Let's continue to the page 35. The exercise 5 is a listening. Exercise 4 is an interview. Interview 10 students who are not part of your class. Which free time activity do they spend most of their time doing? What percentage does that represent? Take notes to prepare for the interview in the space below. Okay? So it is something like this. Pay attention. You have to find people not from the school, like family, maybe your brother, sister, cousin, etc. Okay, and then you have to write the name of the person. For example, my cousin what? My cousin Jose. My cousin Jose. So my cousin Jose's favorite activity, okay, it is maybe riding the bicycle. Wait a moment. Okay. Favorite activity, riding a bike. Riding a bike. This is the favorite activity of my cousin Jose. Okay. and then you just have to continue with another person, my father, my mother, and you just write the favorite activity of that person. And then sometimes maybe there is one person who has the same activity. Yes, for example, my sister also rides the bicycle. Okay, so you have to look what is the percentage, of the time, of the free time. For example, the cousin Jose, he uses 2 hours riding a bike, 3 hours riding a bike. My sister, she swims for 1 hour, and then you have to choose the time. Okay, very good. On the page, on the same page, we have the exercise 5 is a listening. Okay, complete the information. I will give you this audio so you listen and complete. Okay, very good. Exercise 6, you listen again and circle the correct answer. Watching TV is a popular activity for 19%, 89%, or 99% of Latin American teenagers. You circle A, B, or C. Okay? On the page 35, same page, exercise 7. Think of the activities you do in your free time. Ask your classmates the following questions. You ask, okay, one person these questions, and then you write your answers. Exercise 8, go to your photo bank. I will give you this photo bank in the platform, no problem. Look at the pictures that are in the photo bank, okay, of different activities, and talk about the ones that you have done, activities that you have done from the photo bank that I will give you in the platform. Look at the example. Picture 1. I play football on Mondays, on Wednesday. My jersey number is 8. What is a jersey? Jersey is just like a sweater. That is the jersey. Very good. On the page 36, work in groups of 3. You don't have to work in groups of 3. You just can work individually. Okay. Which activity require the following equipment? A racket. In what sport do you use a racket? Yes, in tennis or in table tennis. A pair of jazz shoes. You use the jazz shoes in bowling. Okay. Skate blades, swimsuit, cushion gloves. Very good. Now listen to the track and match the objects or places with the group that uses them. Taekwondo team wears what? A toolkit, dance shoes, a set of sparring gear, or a diving board. Yes, you match number 1, 2, 3, 4 with A, B, C, D. Listen again and complete the text. Now you listen and complete. Okay? Very good. Work in pairs. Select 2 hobbies that are not mentioned in the track. Make a list of the equipment you would need. Name the places where they are practiced. Remember to use a, an, and de. Okay? 2 hobbies. You think about 2 hobbies. For example, let's say playing the guitar. And you say, a guitar is an instrument made of wood with strings. I love playing the guitar. The guitar is a very important instrument because you can sing and play, etc., etc., etc. Another hobby, painting. Painting is very important for people because they can pass the time and they can develop their brains, etc., etc. Use a, use an, and use de. Okay, these are articles, definite and indefinite articles. Okay, and on the page 37, this is the final page for this week. Work with a classmate are the things you wouldn't be able to do in a week without electricity. What are the things you wouldn't be able to do in a week without electricity? In 45 seconds, list as many things as you can. Things without electricity. What are the things that you can do without electricity? Tell me. What are the things you can do without electricity? Let's see. Very good. Things that you can do without electricity. And then you type very fast. For example, running. What else? Running, riding a bike. Without electricity, what can you do? Jump, climb a tree. You can play soccer. All the activities that you can do without electricity. Okay? All the things that you can do without electricity. Yes? Very good. Very good. Okay, I am going to erase this so we can continue with the activity. Okay, all the activities that you can do without electricity. Okay, very good. Let's continue. Exercise 7. Read the text and write T for true and F for false. What text? This text. The Raramuri champion. This is a story, okay, about a champion in Chihuahua, Mexico. There is a group of indigenous people called the Raramuri, etc., etc., etc. You read the text and answer true or false. Exercise 8. Unscramble the following questions. What is unscramble? Organize. Aren't, why, they, other, like, teens, and then you organize the sentence. For example, why aren't they like other teens? Yes, that is the way. Why aren't they like other teens? Yes, you have to organize the sentences like that. Organize the number 2, organize the number 3. And in the exercise 9, go to your photo bank. This is the photo bank number 2, week 2, number 2. Work with a classmate and follow these instructions. Okay? Ask questions about the text. What text? This text. This is the text. Sorry, text. Ask questions. You are going to see some pictures there in the photo bank. Okay? And then you're going to answer the questions. That's all. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye bye.